Series is a group of workshops for adults that consists of visual arts based programs for personal and professional growth. There's a special vibe about Series. I think it's the entire package that we deliver, from superb instruction to excellent courses to unbelievable customer care.
It's for new artists or people who have been practicing for a while. You would spend a week perfecting your craft, and so they're just a fabulous group of courses for adults. It runs for a month in July.
You can take just about everything from painting to drawing to sculpture to jewelry and metals to glass to wood carving, culinary arts, and more.
Everything's kind of taken care of for you. You can just go and do art. And where can you do that elsewhere?
For me, because it's so much more than just the course. You know, 9 to 4 is the course, but the opportunity to be part of a group, definitely the collegiality, the opportunity to be part of a group who are all focused on that art making for this week.
Here in 1 week, you can get more intensive skill-based training in order to allow you to pursue your art than you might get in an entire degree program at a university.
The whole package, you can stay here at residence. You're like 5 minutes away. The studios are basically open from 9 in the morning to 10 at night. You've got great instruction.
We bring in instructors from all over North America and around the world.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about.
We pride ourselves on having professional artist educators deliver the courses so our students get a top-notch experience.
I don't know how the college gets these kind of instructors. I mean, it's amazing.
The studios themselves are top-notch.
The facilities are first class. Our studios are bar none professional visual arts spaces with wonderful light, excellent equipment for students to learn their craft on.
The series is just a really great experience that's been going on. It's one of the best kept secrets of Red Deer College. So we're really excited every year about the opportunities that we can provide.